The channel, thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, it's gonna be quick. It's gonna be like 2 or 3 minutes, but I want to do some DeFi vocab, guys. So DeFi vocab in a minute. That's what this is gonna be titled. But anyways, guys, in this video, I'm going to explain the vocab term, why auto compounders work and why did they use them and why should I use them? Like, why don't I just do it myself? Anyways, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribe, and you will get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. Puffy to Mike, he's going to be picking out them peeps at the end of this month. First off, guys, gotta say thanks to our sponsor, water. I was supposed to catch that, but in reality, dude, like, that literally landed on the floor, like, straight up. Dude, that was... Oh, man. And I knew I heard the ceiling mark, and I was like, I knew I scuffed it up. I'll have to fix it later. All right, guys, let's go ahead and talk about it. The first thing is, what is auto compounding and why do they do what they do? Well, we're going to look at Spectrum Protocol. This is on the Terra Luna ecosystem. This is not audited yet, guys. I'm not telling you to ape in. I'm trying to just explain some simple terms to you guys so you can understand it. So, the reason they're able to do this is when you deposit into these pools, they have other people depositing into these pools as well. And whenever they auto compound, as in like withdraw, dump the token, buy the new LP tokens, redeposit, they do that all in one transaction. So if one person does it, they're paying one transaction fee for everything. If there's 10 people doing it, they're paying one transaction fee for everything. If there's 1 million people doing it, they're paying one transaction fee for everything, guys. Why is that important? Well, typically, when you have a protocol that is able to do more and more volumes and allow more and more people to come in, well, it's going to save money on gas fees. And that saves the protocol money on gas fees. It doesn't matter as much on ecosystems like Polygon, Terra Luna, or even things like Optimism when it comes out, or even Phantom. But on things like Ethereum, bro, that's like gangbusters. And now what you can do with that savings on gas fees, for example, Yearn, is people holding the governance token, they get a portion of the fees. That's why they have the withdrawal fees and deposit fees, because they can do that. That earns money for the token on the ecosystem. The reason why I have Spectrum Protocol up is because I also want to talk about it a little bit on the channel. Basically what they do, this is not a sponsored video. Well, it is sponsored by water. But they kind of failed me. I was supposed to catch that one. It's okay. We got a second chance. I got like millions of bottles in here. It's like water. All right. But anyways, guys. So back to talking about this protocol is with these tokens that you're depositing into here, this farm is not audited. All they're doing is they are earning tokens, aka the mirror token, because this is straight on mirror. If you guys go to the farming tokens, I'm going to get rid of my face. Peace out. You can see they have the short farm rewards, they have the long farm rewards, and these are paid in mirror. So automatically what this Spectrum protocol is doing to earn this APY, obviously you can see USO, USDT, or UST LP is 600%. Well, how are they able to do that? Well, if you look at USO, where's USO? USO, here it is. It's only 36%. How are they? Well, they're auto compounding it, guys. What they do is they sell the mirror token, buy more of the LP tokens, redeposit it, and do the junk all over again. But again, this farm is not audited, so keep that in mind, guys. If you guys are looking to ape in, remember, these APYs are not always going to be the same. In fact, when I checked this morning, they were way less than this. Or actually, I'm sorry, way more than this. But hey, that is what it is. Early users will get rewarded. I'm not going to go over this protocol in particular in this video. I just want to give that DeFi vocab on why auto compounders do what they do. And you do have to be careful. Remember, guys, they withdraw. Remember, guys, auto compounders do have an additional amount of risk. In fact, I've been exposed to one of these risks before. It was back with Autofrm. And what happened is they didn't factor in V2 on Pancakeswap. And it had a 0.1% withdrawal fee after 3 days or within 3 days. And that was a problem because they would auto compound every day. So whenever it auto compounds, aka withdrawals, you're automatically losing 0.1%. I know it doesn't sound like much, but guys, it adds up. So that's why you have to be careful with these auto compounders, because they could have a error in the code, they could auto compound incorrectly, or they cannot. Or there can be an error with the strategy that they're doing, and there's just additional smart contract risk. So not only could there be smart contract risk with Mirror Protocol, now there's additional smart contract risk to Spectrum Protocol. I'm just telling you Spectrum Protocol as an example because we're talking about it now, but this goes for every single auto compound farm. Anyways, guys, that was DeFi vocab in like not a minute, but like a minute plus 5. Anyways, we're going to leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner because y'all time is super valuable and you guys don't want to hear me talking no more. So Proverbs chapter 21 verses 25. The cravings of a slugger will be the death of him because his hands refuse to work. Dude, I've heard a saying where it's like, my favorite wisdom one-liner is go to the ant, you sluggard. Don't be like the lazy man who turns in his bed like a door turns on its hinges. Dude, that is amazing. Like, don't be the guy who turns on your bed like a door turns on the hinges. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one.